Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you 3 easy transitional hairstyles that can take you from work to a fun holiday event. Holidays fast approaching. It's a busy time of the year for everyone, so I figured I would bring you a video featuring really easy to do hairstyles. So for today's hairstyles, I'm going to be featuring the T3 volumizing hot rollers. I have talked about the ease of hot rollers on my channel before, and that is because it is such an easy way to add a lot of volume and style and even shine to your hair. And while the curls are setting, you are free to get ready and do whatever you need to do without wasting your time kind of just holding a barrel in place. And as you guys know, since I am a T3 ambassador, every time I feature a T3 product, I'm able to do a giveaway. So stay tuned till the end to find out how to enter this giveaway, so you can have your very own volumizing hot rollers. So the set comes with 8 hot rollers, as you can see, 4 larger ones and 4 slightly smaller ones. And the sizes, in case anyone is wondering, there is the 1.5" and the 1.75" size. I think it's perfect to give you that kind of like dimensional curl, and so you can alternate kind of the sizes. It's also great for different hair types, so basically with this kit you are set no matter what hair type you have. There's also a dual temperature setting, so you can adjust the heat, of course, to the type of hair that you have. And the rollers are this soft and luxurious velvet, not Velcro, so the hair is just really going to glide, and this gives you a ton of shine to the hair. Also with T3's fast and easy heat core technology, the roller actually distributes even heat to the hair for that section. Alright, now let's just get into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. Once the lights are on, you know that it is warming up and it is ready to go. So I'm just going to start, and in the case we have the clips here, which don't leave any dents. It just wraps around the hot curler, keeping it in place but leaving your hair dent free. And for this first section around the face, I'm going to use the larger, the 1 3/4 inch curler, and that's because I want a nice kind of soft wave pattern. And because I do want a slightly more relaxed look, I am leaving the ends out. So now for this next section, I'm gonna alternate and grab the size down. And same thing, if you're wondering which way, just imagine when you're holding a curling iron and which direction you would wrap your hair in. And again, leaving that little bit of hair out. So for any areas that you have, say around your face or your ear, it's best to place the clip where that curler would be touching skin, just to kind of protect it. So now the next section, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the larger curls. And then for the last section on this side of the head, I'm going to go back to the smaller size. And then doing the exact same thing to the right side. Again, starting off with that larger curler. So now I'm gonna just remove all the hot rollers. So pretty. So once I remove the curls, I kind of like to just separate the hair so it looks just a lot more natural. And we have our first hairstyle. You get these super beautiful waves that are just super effortless and just super easy to achieve. Alright, so there you have look number 1. I'm going to show you 2 other alternate hairstyles that you can go from this base style. Alright, so I'm just going to give myself a more of a side part. I just think a side part can just really elevate a style. And for something a little bit more casual, I've gone ahead and brushed out my hair just in order to relax the curls a little bit more. And that's just to start with a center part and grabbing sort of a slightly diagonal section going backwards like so. And then I'm just going to clip this section out of the way, then coming to the side and grabbing the same section. And now we are going to give these sections a slight tease just to add a little bit more volume. And I'm just going to give it a light twist. And again, just using one of my big claw clips and clipping it out of the way so I can work on this side and do the same thing. So I'm just kind of brushing it out so that it doesn't look extremely teased. So once you have the volume to those 2 sections in a way that you like, I'm just going to go ahead and tie that section up. And this is the part where you can get a little bit more creative. You can either turn this into a messy or voluminous bun. You can braid this going down the back. It's really up to you. There you have it, this fun and easy voluminous look for look number 3. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that if you haven't tried hot rollers yet, to definitely give them a try. Just so easy to use and a great way to really transform your looks. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.